Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete WhatsApp account. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to delete your accounts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your WhatsApp app and here just go to the settings option in the bottom right. Then select account from here. Just select delete my account option and then tap on delete account. And you have some other options. The very first is change phone number. If you want to delete your account from this phone number and want to create a new account on a second phone number, so you can choose a second way with this change phone number. Your account will remain, but your phone number will be changed. The second option is you have to transfer your chats, or here are some update my privacy settings. So your privacy setting will be updated, or you can also free up your storage if you're deleting your account due to storage. So you just have to select the free up storage and you can use different ways to free up your storage, or you can get help if you are having any issue, or if you don't want to use any of these, just select the delete account option. Then here you can see that you are deleting your account permanently. Just select continue option and you have to enter your phone number again. So once you have re-entered your phone number, your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete your WhatsApp account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.